Hi everybody, welcome to our next verb conjugation lesson. We have looked at present tense, past tense, and now we're going to look at something called future tense. So present tense was something that was happening right now in this very moment. Past tense was something that had already happened previously, and future tense is something that is going to happen, that has not happened yet. So in the future. So here I have my auxiliary verb envelope for the verb to love. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and put this to the side. Here I have one that says infinitive to love. And inside that one, I have one that says active voice. So it's inside this one that we have our packs. I'm going to go ahead and get our present and past tense set up since we've already done these. So I have everything set up. I have my first person, second person, third person, then my singular and plural for present tense, and my singular and plural for past tense. Those are the ones we've gone over. Okay, so now we're going to do singular and plural for second and third person for future tense. What is first person singular? We know it's the word I. And for future tense for I love, it will be I will love the movie. If we were doing second person singular, we know that would be you, and it would be you will love. You will love this ice cream place. Now if we were doing third person, we know that would be he, she, and it's he will love, she will love. Now for first person plural, we know that's we, and that's going to say we will love the ice cream place. Now second person plural is you will love, and third person plural, what do you think that will be? Yes, they will love. Okay, so I love, I loved, I will love. I love is happening now. I loved was in the past, it already happened. The loving has already happened. And here, the loving hasn't happened yet. It is I will love the ice cream place. Okay, good. Let's look at this with another verb. Okay, so we have our present tense and past tense for the verb walk. Now we're going to do the future tense. So present for first person singular was I walk. Past for first person singular is I walked. Future is I will walk. Second person singular present was you walk. Past tense was you walked. Future tense is you will walk. Okay, third person singular for present was he, she walks. Past tense is he, she walked. Future tense is he, she will walk. That is our singular for future tense. Now let's look at our plural. So first person plural in present tense is we walk. First person plural in past tense is we walked. First person plural future tense is we will walk. Second person plural for present tense is you walk. Second person plural for past tense is you walked. Second person plural for future tense is you will walk. Okay, so third person plural in the present tense is they walk. Third person plural in past tense is they walked. Third person plural in future tenses, they will walk. Okay, so we see we have to add another word for our future tense. So I want you to go ahead, find another verb, and it could even be one of the verbs you've already done. You know, for your follow-up work for the past tense and present tense, you can add on to that for the future tense here. Again, if you're making some kind of book, or you're making your own cards and making your own material, you can now include this little card packet in the material that you've been making. There's tons of other things you can do. You can just make a poster that shows all this written on paper. You can make, ooh, it would be really fun is maybe a mobile that has 3 different tiers. So on the top, it could say, you know, to walk, and then you have one tier that is present tense with all the different persons in singular and plural. Then you can have another tier that is past tense with all the different persons, singular and plural, and then a third tier that has future tense with singular, plural of all the persons. So that might be kind of cool. You could almost make like a moving sculpture of verb tenses. Okay, you guys, if you need anything, let me know, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.